another way, but
I want someone to love me.
I have a 99-year-old grandmother who is incredibly special to me. And when she was younger and my dad was a little baby, she used to hand color her black and white photographs. I'd never seen anything like that before until she showed it to me when I was just a kid. And I recently was with her just about a week ago, and I came across some photos that she had hand colored, and there was just something so special about that little essence of skin tone and the little sparkle that she could do with the eyes and the eyelashes that just kind of drew me in. And I've been working on this piece and realizing I don't want to fully colorize it. I really love the black and white with the dark and the light, and then just the essences of color. And it kind of just occurred to me that I wonder if that is why. Is it an inspiration that I didn't even realize from what my grandma used to do when she was my age?